Hello and welcome to Easy Digital Art. In today's video, I want to explore some features that will make it a little more difficult to copy my document. I did some research and they say that bright white, blue, vibrant purple, and gray are very hard to copy. For example, on a copier. So anyways, this is for entertainment and educational purposes only. I don't guarantee the security of it. For someone who wants to really copy something, they probably could. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a shape. Okay, shape fill, no fill. I'm going to go into format shape. You could also right click format shape. And I'm going to go to pattern fill. I'm going to choose this pattern. It's almost a honeycomb like pattern. I'm actually going to change this border. Shape outline. And I'm going to choose a gray. Line, you could do it here. Shape outline, weight, number 6. If we go into line, gradient line. Okay, so changed it to blue, which I didn't want, but that's okay. I will change that all back to gray. And just a darker gray here. Just go solid a gray line. Just move it over here. This will work if I just move this like that. So again, probably a little bit more difficult to reproduce your document on a color printer or a color photocopier. And what else can we do? We're going to give it the actual font. Let's say we're writing something here. So let's go insert, shape, copy this font. Okay. I'm just going to make that fixed. And then this, make it Arial, make it larger. I think that would be good. Doesn't have to be that large, of course. And shape fill, going to remove that. So now we're going to do purple, vibrant purple. Text fill, more fill colors. I don't know if that's okay. Now I'm going to go into text options here. I'm going to say gradient. And of course it's going to change it on me again. That's okay. I have it here. Select it. And here, I'm going to select it as well. This one I can delete. This middle one, I'm going to see if there's a lighter one. Make our own like that. It's just now, I'm going to copy this one actually, so that I can make a line across the center, like so. Bring it together. Just take out the outline, no outline. The other thing you can do is you can add a seal. Shape. I'll stick a 32 point seal, move it like this. I'm going to give it an outline, shape outline. Just do put a number 6, shape outline, say gray. Like that. Maybe just lighter shape outline. It'll change. Okay, and then go gradient. See, it'll change, and then you can just change it here. This one will be gray. This one will be even darker, and then this one, say like that. Then you can move them around, sort of like the border. You could also go into 3D format, and under lighting, you can modify it. I'm gonna give it a bevel like that, and then let's just see here. Let's move this out of the way. I want to see the different bevels here. I'll take this one here, and then you can just change like that. That's very difficult to copy. Then I'm just gonna go here. So for the blue pattern, choose the first one. Maybe a little bit darker than that. Say that. So that's that pattern. Okay. Then you could always add, so you can add something like, see this, that's good. So now you can add a number or a word in here and make it transparent as well in gray. Shape. I don't know. A, B, C, or a number 1, 2, 3. With this, make it gray. Make this Arial. Like that. Two lines. I don't know. Just bring those together. This way, shape fill, no fill, shape outline, no outline. Text options, text fill, we can make it transparent so you can see the background coming through. And I think we can make this even a little bit larger. Line spacing, remove a line. Yeah, okay. That's good. The other thing you can do with this font, you can go text options, go to the middle icon, hit the top bevel, and you can give it a bevel, which would additionally make it more difficult to copy. Anyways, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.